Okay. Let's get you reset up here, just so you can kind of see what I'm monkeying around with here, huh? I'm gonna raise you up here a little bit too. Okay. I'm hoping that I didn't just bend that bracket. I don't think I did. There we go. Now I can push that up, push it up tight. And see if that's gonna hold up there. It should. It should hold up there. I gotta push that other side up tight. It probably should have been in a box, but hey, it wasn't in a box before, and it was just, this is how it was, just like this. That's how it was. I think that'll work. Okay. And I'll go around on this side here, double check it. It's a little, it seems to be a little wobbly up there, but it's never gonna come down. It's never gonna come down. There. Okay. And now I'm going to turn it on, and I believe one of the lights is burned out from before, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken here. Okay. I'm going to turn it on. Yep, see? One light's burned out. Isn't that a shame? Oh well. Now, if you didn't want it exactly in that angle, you could redirect and redirect that bracket on the inside. Of course, you'd have to undo the screws and slide it over. See, I thought it was going to be a little bit straighter. I'm going to look at it this way. Look at it this way and see if I like it like that. See, I kind of want the head to be over a little bit further, and I want that head to be over that way a little bit further, I believe. You know, even though the bracket seemed like it was straight, and I think that's how the last person had it, but I think I want the mounting screws kind of off sideways a little bit. I may have to monkey around with it a little and undo those screws again and see what I can't do. You know, I can swivel that little bracket, remember? I can loosen it up, swivel it, tighten it back up, and I can do it with the wires still being connected, and I shouldn't have to mess with it, because I actually think I want it to where that is lined up. I don't know, Mommy's not here, and so I've got to make a corporate decision. Whatever decision, you know, whatever decision I make, she's probably going to want it slightly different, but I think the best thing for this, see how that thing's kind of at an angle that way? I want it to go straight that way. Son of a gun. Okay, well, because that bracket is swivelable, you can place yours however you want. And like I say, all of these can be angled however you want. When Mommy gets home, I'll angle those exactly how she wants. And then this one here, I'll have to get a new head. and I'll turn the light off, and I believe just the metal housing on the outside has threads on it, and I think you just unscrew it and then that kind of pops down. You'll be able to figure it out, I'm sure. Okay, I'm going to check that out a little bit and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Oh, crack me up. I had to get my 8-foot ladder out so I could finagle that up there. And do you remember I had to loosen that from before and twist it so it was straight? I thought somebody had a crooked eyeball or something. Well, there was a reason why they had it crooked, right? It's so that could line up. And I twisted it over as far as I could, hitting the electrical wire coming out of the wall. Look at that, nice and straight now, isn't it? That's what I kind of wanted, but like I say, you could flip that around any old direction at an angle, however you wanted, with that little S deal, and with those little eyeball lights. I call them eyeball lights. They're halogen lights, and I think I might be able to upgrade those to an LED halogen, or an LED light that looks like halogen. I'm not quite sure because I've never done that before. I've taken halogens and changed them to like some of those halogen bulbs. You can get them 50 watt and 35 watt, I believe. And lots of times I would take 50s and change them to 35s. But nowadays, and that was years ago, nowadays, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think you can get a halogen size bulb like these and get them in LEDs. And if so, I'm probably going to change these to LEDs because that would take way less electricity than these halogens. All right? Next time you're at the store, check that out and see for yourself. All right, I guess I'm done for this little project. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Of course I'll always be back here with more videos. I don't know what else I would do. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you subscribe. Now, what am I going to talk about next time? Well, next time might have to do with this burned out halogen. You never know. Keep watching. The more you watch, the more you learn.